There is no greater wealth in this world than peace of mind, especially when you're on the open road. That's why buying from a Priority RV Network dealer is a must. Don't compromise when it comes to your safety and security. When shopping for the perfect RV, you need to know where you can get trustworthy emergency service if you had an issue while traveling away from home. The Priority RV Network of dealers have the best new and pre-owned RVs that provide you the freedom to take off and go anywhere, anytime. Buying from anyone else leaves you and your family unprotected and vulnerable. With more than 100 Priority RV Network locations for service in the USA and RV care dealers throughout Canada, we are the largest emergency service network in North America. This means we're with you for the long haul, New York to California and everywhere in between.
We found that Priority RV dealers had the best selection and the best prices of any place that we found.
Peace of mind was really important to us.
It was important to us to know that when we traveled away from home, we could get service if anything ever happened.
We know that there's someone that can help us.
We know that a Priority RV dealer is there to help us out and get us back on the road.
They have it all, the website, the app, and we got specialized RV insurance.
Go RVing at your local Priority RV dealer.
So when you're traveling away from home, Priority RV Network has over 100 locations throughout North America, ready to service your RV. Hit the open road with true peace of mind, knowing we have your back. With the Priority RV Network parts stores dedicated to providing customers with the most competitively priced, best value parts and accessories in the RV industry, you can rest knowing that our world-class service facilities and certified technicians will get you back on the road with a smile. We pride ourselves in offering our clients superior value and nationwide service from the best RV dealers in the world. When you buy an RV from a Priority RV Network dealer, you are buying peace of mind. For more information, ask your dealer or visit www.PriorityRVNetwork.com. We're excited to see where your new RV will take you.